Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you for being here. So, a few days ago, I have been contemplating on the next topic that I would be discussing in here. And so I asked for divine guidance, and incidentally, all I received was the letter V. So, I looked at the list that I had, and none of them struck me as the topic that I was being led to share. So none of them had any words starting with a V as far as I was concerned. So I forgot about that, and then after 2 days I figured it out. So I was being told to share with you the very first video that I posted in here in this channel. It is entitled Victory Over Violence, and that is actually what started the channel. Now, regarding things falling into place also, so this morning it was it was surprising and very pleasant that I received a notification that as of today my channel is already 6 years old. So I even forgot the exact date when I started the channel, but apparently it was around January, April 21, 2019. So there. So I'm recording this now, April 21. So we're exactly 6 years old. So this is further confirmation that I should be sharing for those who haven't watched the video. For those who don't know that story about me. So around in 2012, I actually survived a very brutal incident. And up to now, I can't believe that I did survive that. But over more than the tragedy itself, this experience has been a testament of faith and a testament of miracles. And so I invite those of you who haven't watched it and those of you who don't know that about me to watch the video. I'm hoping that you find inspiration in it and a greater will to survive. So there. So I'll just try to figure out how to attach the video here because I haven't done that in my previous videos. So there. For now, guys, thank you. So please watch the video. It's just me, Alvi, saying find your strength, find your peace, and stay with God whatever you conceive Him to be. He loves you so much. And that video is a testament of God's love also. Okay? Thank you. Bye.